Hi everyone, Joe for JaspysCaseBreaks.com coming at you with another one-box break of 2024 Leaf Ultimate Sports. Random number block break number 36. A lot of fun stuff here. That's how the random number block format works. Multi-sport includes WWE, soccer, tennis, all sorts of crazy stuff. You don't know what's going to happen in this Leaf break. Big thanks to Stephen K with all the spots. Kind of had a rough previous break. I'm gonna try to redeem myself here. Thanks, Stephen. Appreciate you, man. Good luck. So we pulled out the whole remaining boxes right there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes remaining. I gave Steven the choice. Say, do you want to select a box? Do you want me to select it? Do you want the dice roll to happen? You can see right there in the chat, he says, go ahead and roll it. So just from top to bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I roll a 6, I'll just roll again. And it's 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, and we'll save these for another time. All right, here we go. Let's go, redemption time. Slide the relic out first. All right, here we go. Boom, Jamie Moore. Nice, 2 out of 5. Fat patch, that is really cool. Old crafty lefty, played forever. And all aboard the Big Hit Express. Woo woo! All right, autos. I think we got a patch auto here. It is Bill Lee. 4 out of 25. Signature relics. Game used. And the third and final one here. Ooh, I see. Oh, wow. Stephen K. You gotta thank the die. You gotta take the die out for a drink. 6 out of 6. The 4 Sportsman quadruple auto. Steph Curry, Robert Lewandowski, Rob Gronkowski, Rafa Nadal. That's awesome. There you go, Steven. Congrats. Glad you got back in. Some nice player. I mean, huge tennis star right here. Huge soccer star. We all know Gronk. We all know Steph. Really great stuff. Congrats, Stephen K. Thanks for getting in. Appreciate you. And I'll see you next time for the next one. It's awesome.